All of these trails that you may walk on NCF properties are for people to enjoy the views up on the hills and the moors, to look out over the harbor, or if you're, deep in the forest in Squam. All of those trails are trails that we maintain year round. My name's Gerry Holmes. I'm the land use manager at the Nantucket Conservation Foundation. I work on a team of 8 people at the Milestone Center. I am proud to say that I take care of 100 miles of trails out here on the island for the locals and visitors to enjoy. The trails growing so quickly, so we really need to be out here year round maintaining them after storms. It's wonderful to be able to see the change from a trail that's not maintained to a fully cut trail. We're very excited about the new Milestone Center and having the ecology team being able to join us right at Milestone. It's going to make a world of a difference to have the whole team together in one place. And there's a lot of communication that needs to happen between the ecology team and the land maintenance team. And there's some very important decisions that get made about trail management or habitat management. And having the team together in one place is going to be extremely helpful so that we can make those decisions more efficiently.